Our multi-purpose vehicles will be clearing the leaves off the line and anti-icing the conductor rails across Wessex, Sussex and Kent.
Our team is setting up traffic management in Coventry, helping reduce congestion in the city centre and improving the shopping experience for the local community during the Christmas period.
In Hong Kong, we are getting into the festive spirit by putting up the Christmas tree in our head office.
At Hinkley Point C, we've raised nearly £2,000 for the Prince's Trust charity through selling personalised hoodies and even celebrating the World Cup.
Got a client from everybody here at Balfour Beatty in Aberystwyth. We'll be working throughout the Christmas period to ensure that the students are safe and that they have the best possible 2023.
So here at Old Oak Common, the whole staff will be supporting the Peabody Trust Old Oak Christmas Hamper Appeal. And this is a great appeal that will support children and their families around the HS2 site area.
So our overhead line and civils teams are here, busy developing their skills at the Winter Training School.
This Christmas, City Watch team is going to work round the clock to ensure public safety and keep the network running.
Our Connect Plus service team are working really hard, managing the M25 to ensure family and friends enjoy their festive period.
And up in Scotland, our winter teams in Aberdeen, Glasgow and Carlisle will be working to keep over 330 kilometres of the road network free of snow and ice.
This year we'll be bringing the shops to our colleagues by hosting our very own Christmas market events in our Maxim office.
Balfour Beatty Communities is excited to be celebrating the holiday season. We have a lot of events planned throughout the month. Santa's Workshop, the North Pole Mailbox, and the base tree lighting ceremony.
We're providing 450 Christmas lunches for our site team. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
You're getting good.
You're all getting good now.
Happy holidays!
It's not difficult, is it? It's not hard.
I feel like a news reporter then, I stand there.
Hold on, I'll have your tinsel. Yeah. Right.